Have you ever finished something and thought, that was so easy? Maybe a test, maybe a workout, maybe a project at work. In American English, instead of saying, that was very easy, we usually say, piece of cake. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly what it means, when to use it, when not to use it, and you'll practice speaking it naturally. Let's begin. So what does piece of cake mean? Literally, a piece of cake is cake. Something sweet, something enjoyable, something easy to eat. In American English, when we say, it was a piece of cake, we mean it was very easy, it required little effort, and it wasn't difficult at all. It often carries a feeling of confidence. Let's look at some real-life examples. Example number 1, the easy test. Imagine you studied all week. You walk into the classroom nervous. The teacher gives you the exam. You read the first question. It's exactly what you studied. Second question, easy. Third question, even easier. You finish early. Your friend asks, how was it? You smile and say, it was a piece of cake. That means it was extremely easy. Example number 2, the workout. Imagine your friend says, this workout is intense. You try it. It's simple movements. You're not tired. You're not sweating much. Afterward, they ask, was it hard? You say, no, it was a piece of cake. Example number 3, a job interview question. Let's imagine now that you're in an interview. The interviewer asks, can you explain your experience managing projects? You've done that for years. You answer clearly, smoothly, and confidently. Later, your friend asks you, were you nervous? You say, no, that question was a piece of cake. It felt natural and comfortable. Example number 4, an everyday situation. Let's imagine that your mom asks you a question. She says, can you set up the new TV? You connect 2 cables, press 1 button, and it works immediately. You say, that was a piece of cake. You'll hear this expression all the time. For example, the test was a piece of cake. Or, don't worry, it's a piece of cake. That interview was a piece of cake. Trust me, piece of cake. A quick place I want to draw your attention to. This is informal. You wouldn't usually say this in a very serious, formal, or business meeting. It's casual, friendly, and confident. Now repeat after me. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. If you want to learn more idioms that Americans use every day, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for you.